03 Chevrolet Trailblazer. It is a 03. People always comment saying it's a 06 or 07 because the front end is different in other videos when I did the front end facelift. No, it's a 03. So the headlights, I got them on Facebook Marketplace. I got them for like 70 bucks because they had a defect, and a lot of companies cannot sell defects. Imagine you buy some brand new headlights and they had a defect. It's gonna ruin your company. So I got them on Facebook Marketplace. I got the front bumper out of junkyard. I do have a little, I could say, damage from off-roading, which I bought this car for overlanding, off-roading, something light. I didn't get it for hardcore rock crawling. So I got the front, brush guard on eBay. It's like 160 around there. So you can always negotiate with the eBay sellers. I liked it without the guards on the side. I thought it looks better this way. Now the off-road roof lights that was up top there, I used to have a Jeep Liberty. You go past my older videos, I was making a Jeep Liberty Overland as well, but got hit and run and totaled, which a lot of companies, insurances, when a vehicle gets old and it gets hit, they would just total it. It's not worth to fix it or parts, so it's just total. So if this one ever gets hit, knock on wood, it's gonna get total because it's an old vehicle, even though it's an easy repair. I think I got hit in the company 4 years ago, 2 years ago, almost 3 years ago, front end, and they actually just paid me a few bucks, which caused the transmission to get damaged, and you guys know the rest is a whole history. So this is just the front end. I got those lights at a junkyard. Didn't want to pay a lot. Gonna keep this in the budget. So these are the off-road tires. People always ask me about them. They are LT 265/75 R16s. I do have a 2-inch spacer on it, or adapter. Just push the wheels out because they do rub. 2-inch lift. I got it at eBay as well. You guys could see. But I welded it at work. I welded some more welds because I didn't trust the little tacks they added. And of course, the front, we're still here in the front. I do have the aftermarket, radiator. I wanted something to cool down off-roading. I didn't want it to, be like, oh, it's gonna overheat or not. I just want to be 100% sure, calm, relaxed, it's not gonna overheat. That's why I added also a big transmission cooler, because I replaced the transmission. I got it with transmission with Corvette clutches. I got the chassis case rebuilt as well, and I don't want to go through those as well. I want to protect my personal assets. A car's liability, but I call it asset because at this point I'm keeping her forever. That's why I want to keep her forever as long as I can. So that's why I want to do things once, don't do it twice. I did a lot of things to the engine bay. Even there's some videos that I haven't put out there because other people have them. I do make these. They're like emblems. These are Chevy Trailblazer emblems. It's actually just for Chevy Trailblazers. I do have on my eBay store. I will leave it, link down in the description. And yeah, I got my windshield tinted. Have the Jeep Liberty lights. I got these brackets here if I come out my square off-road ones, but I don't have them here because I do live in the hood and I don't want nobody to steal them. So that's why all the things I got to do. So this is what I've done so far. I do have, I replaced every suspension part in the car. I do also have that skid plate that I made. There's a video back of it. I got everything done in this vehicle how I wanted it. I do have a hood vent I wanted to, put on this, but I'm gonna just wait off for a bit. So this Toyota, I got this from a Toyota. I forgot which model, but there's a video on it. I had problems with my throttle body, so it was a long story short. The throttle body, I replaced it. It's almost a 20-year-old vehicle at that time. Let me just get a new one. There's no point in me cleaning it. I really wanted to put, get something good. So I got the throttle body and AutoZone, the same thing like Advanced Auto Parts. And after it was died, I'm like, can't be the throttle body, could it? So after so many testing, diagnosing, the throttle body became to be defective. So it was really defective. So that's why I am gonna add a tube. I'm gonna fabricate one. I'll probably put a video on it. Most likely I will put a video on it. Just takes time. So here's the side of it. This is bolted everywhere. I don't want to do something cheap and flimsy that they could steal. Even my roof rack, I had these. I had a neighbor give me a good idea. He had this straps to his for nobody will steal it. You know, you guys want to do it. They are attached properly. I do have the attach points on there on the rails. But you know, you guys work hard for your stuff. You don't want nobody steal it. I do have a gas tank that goes up here. So yeah, going towards the back. I have a lot of people went crazy on the comment section why I added a resonator. So the reason I added a resonator is because when I go off-roading, when those, you know, the cars like this that you like go uphill, it was scraping, it was tearing the one back apart. So when I replaced it, the video's on there, when I was going back and forth on it, it actually broke off the tip. So at that point, like, good thing I was replacing it. I wanted something more tucked in. Here I probably have 1 inch. I didn't want to scrape anywhere. And also I didn't want it super loud where the neighbors, you know, get annoyed at me and I don't want my car keyed, which they already tried to steal it once. I don't know who did, but yeah, I don't want to go through that. My rear suspension, there's a video on it. I got those on Amazon. I don't know how much are they now. I got those on eBay. Guard. I have these lights, little pointy lights there. Also have a CB antenna. I do take it off because I don't want nobody else to steal it as well. Have this from a Jeep Wrangler. It's the like gas tank protector. It looks cool. Wanted something different to stand out. Right now, let's go inside. Okay, so this is the inside of it. Sorry, guy sold me some. It said a cologne, which I have no idea what is it. I'll check it out later. So going back to the video, that's my steering wheel. I did replace the steering wheel because the old one that came in this car, it was all deteriorating. So I got this one on eBay. It's cheaper than the junkyards. Some junkyards, they charge so much for parts now, even though it's like, it's not even worth most of the parts. I'm sorry, but and all those companies, they went just horrible on prices. So I do have a little extra fuse box adapter. So I do have my bumper lights, my hood lights, you know, my windshield lights, the brackets, the roof lights, and I still have my compressor. I do have a compressor on this, like I said. I do have my CB radio. I added the, you know, the stereo. I added this one last week. I wanted something more like, so okay, so before anything, so these buttons broke when I was installing, so I had to put this one up here. So that works like that now. I forgot which one this came off of, so I'll leave it somewhere in the comment section or in the video. But it's so close to the thing, like to the shape. It just, there's a gap here, which I probably add foam or something to it. Not really a big issue for me, but I got it for like 60 bucks or 55 around there. I wanted something I could put my glasses on, something different, you know. And I am gonna be making something for here because this one broke again. I got tired of it, just putting screws on it, and it just, I'm annoyed. So I do have my transmission, you know, gauge there, my transmission gauge to see the temperature. Someone say, you know, you just need it for towing. Actually, I just want it to see where's the temperature is at. Off-roading and driving long drives, up hills, down hills. I just want to see, keep an eye on it. You know, it's not bad to have some type of extra security. So going back to the back, nothing much done here, you know. Roof looks clean, lights are clean. I do have this, you know, before I added that, you know, so might as well try to use two of them. I do have curtains, you know, but yeah, there's nothing much here. Going back, got the doors. I do have my camera equipment, my rails, you know, all this. I do have a little thing cover, cargo cover. I do have a little charger there that I installed, you know, just in case I want to charge my phone or my battery on it. So I just connect my thing on it. I place it with the cigarette lighter, and that's pretty much it. I have to have some controller here for my lights in the back, you know. There's a lot of things I've done to this vehicle. You know, look at the roof. This rack does rust once in a while, so I have to clean it. I wax it. You know, it's not the rust from the roof, but it is gonna eat through the paint. You know, take care of it. Next question: are you planning to rock crawl in the Trailblazer? I really don't want to rock crawling. I just want to do like overlanding light stuff. yes, I do use the X off-road app, and the maximum I've been with is level 7. You know, I just wanted to try out, but I just wanted something like for light dirt roads, maybe here and there, you know, going up hills like the videos I have done off-roading with it, but nothing much crazy. I don't want to do a rock crawler, I don't want to go overboard. So those are the only questions that that stuck with me for a while. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know down there in the comment section. If you liked the video, give it a like, and remember to subscribe, and thank you for watching.